On this National CPR Day, we gather to raise awareness and empower individuals with the knowledge and skills to save lives. Today, we come together as a community united by a common goal to make a difference in the face of emergencies. CPR or Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation is a simple yet powerful technique that can mean the difference between life and death. With just a few steps, you can become a lifesaver by learning CPR. You gain the ability to provide immediate assistance to someone experiencing a sudden cardiac arrest. Remember the three crucial steps. First, check the person's responsiveness. Second, call for help. And finally, begin chest compressions. By pushing hard and fast on the center of the person's chest, you are helping to circulate oxygenated blood to vital organs, giving them a fighting chance. Additionally, using an automated external defibrillator or AED can generally greatly increase the chances of survival. Remember, time is the essence. The sooner CPR is initiated, the better the chances of a successful outcome. Today, let us join hands and commit to spreading the knowledge of CPR far and wide. Together, we can create a global community of life savers. Become a CPR champion, take a CPR course, share your knowledge with others, and empower your community to act in times of crisis. Every life saved is a testament to the power of education, preparedness, and compassion. On this National CPR Day, let us pledge to make a difference together. We can save lives.